funniest fire alarm I've ever heard. Seriously, that went off. I didn't have a bloody clue what was going on. What a weird fire alarm. I've never heard that in this country before. Some people weren't even sure what the hell that alarm was. Oh, the orange light's flashing over there. So it's Robert Stout and the Hunter Building that have been evacuated. I mean, these two buildings are conjoined as one big building anyway, so... Because the thing is, different buildings on campus have separate fire alarm systems. So like there's one system that does Hugh Mackenzie and Von Zedlitz. Interestingly, Murphy's on a different system, even though it's connected to Hugh Mackenzie as well. So different parts of the campus have different fire alarm systems. I thought all the fire alarms on campus would make the same noise, though it turns out they don't. The alarm's now off. There's not that many people here, so I'm guessing that some people... I think the people in the lecture theatre were evacuated out that way. There's people up there appear to... yeah, there's people on top out the lecture theatre have evacuated to the courtyard up there, on top of this wing of Kirk. They appear to be being let back in, so... Oh, yep, and the all clear's just been given. By the looks of it, the alarm's off. Oh no, they're calling in the wardens. The alarm's off. So, we're being let back inside. I want to know if the lift is alright or whether it's in fire mode. Ah, no, it doesn't have an automated fire mode, it's manuals. Okay.